Many customers do not know how to choose a super high quality and low cost trucks. Today we introduce one. This sales champion. The used Power 371 tractor truck. The original single truck engine, supplying you super power. Director injection. Euro 2 to Euro 5. For this truck, we have two models. For this one is a CNG trucks, the CNG model, and we also have diesel truck. So all the tires will be brand new tires for you, which can supply you the super grip. Equipped with the brand new cab. Sitting in the new cab, you cannot feel it's a reused truck. And with the air condition, you feel so good, no matter in winter or in summer. For more good trucks with high quality and low price, welcome to visit our website, www.snailtruck.com. Welcome to follow us. Found your treasurable truck. Thank you.